Now, dear friends, today we are going to continue our subchapter percentage increase and decrease. But today we are going to finding the percentage using with known facts. Now we can use the known facts and place value to make our calculation easy. Now for this one, let me give you an example. For example, what does it mean or how we are going to use the known facts? We know this one, 4 multiplied 7, it's equal to 28. Now if we are going to multiply 40 multiplied by 700, what will be the result? Now here we are going to multiply 4 7, it will be 28, and putting 3 zeros here. Now I use this one to find this result. Now like this one, let's go and let's start to solve example. Our example is on the screen. Okay, what is the question? Question is, if 180 multiplied by 2 over 5, it's equal to 72. What is the 80% of 180? Now let's go, let's write A here, and let's say 180 multiplied by 2 over 5 is equal to 72. Question is, what is the 80% of 180? Now here, let's go to this fraction. As a fraction, this one, we can convert it to the percentage. If we are going to convert this one to the percentage, let's say 2 over 5, denominators we need to make 100 multiplied by numerator and denominator by 20, it will be 40 over 100. 40 over 100, it means 40%. Now we can say, if 40% of 180 is 72, now what is the 80% of 180? Now what we are going to do here, as you see, the percentage here doubled, here multiplied by 2, then here the result also we need to multiply by 2. Okay, 72 multiplied by 2, it will be 4, 14, it will be, as answer will be 144. The result will be 144. Now this is the A. Let us solve the B now. Let me erase the board. Now the B is, if the B is 60% of 6,800 is equal to 4,080. Now there are two questions. First one, okay, what is the 30% of this amount? And the other one is, what is the 15%? Let's say 15% of 340. Now here we are going to use the known facts to finding this one. Now let's go. Let's try to solve the first one. 3 over 10. 3 over 10 is, we can say, 30 over 100 each. Now it will be equal to 30%. Now we can say 60% of 6,800 is 4,080. Now what is the 30% of 6,800? is question mark. Now, what happened here? Now, it halved. It divided by 2. Then this one also we need to divide it by 2. 4080 divided by 2, it will be 2. Okay, 4 0 put here, and 4 8 8 0, and 2040 will be the answer. Now we can do this division also in our mind. We can halve this one. 4000 divided by 2, 2040 divided by 2, 40. The result will be 2040. Now let's go. Let me erase the board for second one. Now we are going to find 15% of 340. Now let's go. We found 30%. 30% was, okay, 30% of 6800 is 2040 it was. Now we are going to find 50% of 6800 is what? Now as you see, it's halved here, divided by 2. Then we are going to divide this one by 2. It will be 1020 will be. Now here we are going to say 15% or 15% of 6800 is 1020. Now what we are going to do here we are going to divide. Now we are going to leave percentage as it. We are not going to touch that. Here we are going to divide this one by 10, and this one we are going to divide it by 10. After division, what we are going to get? 680 now will be 102. Now 340 is half of this one. 15% is here. We didn't touch to that one. Now what we are going to do? We are going to divide both sides by 2. Now let's divide it by 2. And let's divide this one by 2. When we are going to divide 680 by 2, we are going to get 340. And when we divided this one, 51. Now then we can say 50% of 340 is 51. Here what we did, here we used known facts. We didn't do any calculations. What we did calculations, all of them in our minds, and we found the results. Using the other calculations, using other the known facts, we can do calculations in short way. Now let's go, let's see what is the homework today. Today the homework is page 209, exercises 13D. With this one we finish our lesson today. See you on next lesson.